Summer is in full swing here in David Douglas.
Isn't summer such a great time to catch up on some reading?
Yes, it is. Hi, everyone. Welcome to your July happenings. My name is Aide Juarez Valerio, your Director of Communications, Family Engagement, and Strategic Partnerships.
And I'm Cassie Wood, your Family and Community Partnership Supervisor.
Swings and slides are a fun part of summer, but don't forget to read every day.
Multnomah County Library has a fun reading game every summer for teens and for kids. It already started June 16th, but it's never too late to start. You can keep reading and entering for fun prizes until August 31st.
To participate in the summer reading program, you can pick up a guidebook at your local library or district office, or you can do it online through the Beanstack app.
Hey, Ivy, you want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
What do you call French fries on the moon?
Ooh. I don't know.
Crater taters.
Good one.
Hi, it's Cassie Wood, and I'm back with this month's David Douglas Fun Facts. Our question of the month is, how many Fur Ridge Campus, David Douglas Online Academy, and David Douglas High School students graduated this year? Your options are A, 481, B, 333, C, 100, or D, 1,000. Adam, what do you think the projected number is?
So apparently this is just the Cassie happenings this month because we get stuck with her every segment. Definitely gonna go with 481A.
That is correct. The answer is 481 projected graduates this year.
As always, correct is this guy. And then now you do an outro.
What's outro? Well, David Douglas community, did you get the same answer as Adam? Thank you so much for playing along. Stay tuned for District News.
Boy, I wonder who's gonna host that segment.
As temperatures rise, remember to drink more water and take cooling breaks to prevent heat illness. During heat advisories and extreme heat, Multnomah County and the City of Portland will provide cooling spaces. For resources, please visit the Multnomah County, City of Portland, and 211 websites. We are hosting a bike fair in collaboration with the City of Portland on Saturday, July 12th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Join us at Menlo Park Elementary School for community and bike resources, learn to ride opportunities, a community ride, a quick fix station, and helmet fitting. The annual City of Portland Sunday Parkways is happening Sunday, July 27th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. The East Portland route features Gateway Discovery Park, Ventura Park, Lincoln Park, and Park Lane Park. Each park will feature local entertainment, community booths, and vendors. Come join your family engagement team at Lincoln Park. Don't forget, our schools are closed, but district office is open. If you have any questions or need support, please call us at 503-252-2900.
Coming up next on The Happenings, community events near you and David Douglas.
David Douglas Educational Foundation is a volunteer-led nonprofit organization that focuses on the health, welfare, and supporting educational excellence for all David Douglas students. DDEF has provided funds for teacher grants, the Kids Fund, the Family Calendar, scholarships, and more. Come join us to share your ideas and talents on how to raise funds, which programs and projects to support through grants, and help choose DDEF scholarship recipients. Visit their website to learn more about the foundation. We are currently meeting on Zoom the fourth Tuesday of each month at 7 p.m. contact Beverly Fisher at 503-255-1149 or here at her email. The David Douglas Run Club is back for the summer, and it's free. Open to all students, staff, families, and friends in our community, each session includes beginner to advanced workouts and a chance to enjoy the sunshine together. Plus, there's free watermelon after every run. Whether you're training for a race, getting active, or just want to connect, this is the place for you. Join us Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at Lincoln Park, starting July 1st. No sign-up needed. Come as you are. Questions? Contact Coach Collins at 503-896-2750 or by email.
Thank you for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future episodes. Take care, and we will see you next month.